Cybercriminals study human behavior just as much as they study technology. That's why strong cybersecurity doesn't start with tools or software updates. It starts with how you think. Building a cyber mindset means training yourself to see the digital world the way attackers do. It's not about fear, it's about awareness. And a few mindset shifts can dramatically reduce your risk. Everything you post, share, or update becomes a puzzle piece attackers can use. They scan social media for details about your role, tools, routines, and teammates. Even a harmless status update or conference photo can make their message more believable. This doesn't mean disappearing online. It means being intentional. Before posting, ask, does this reveal something about my work or routine? The more unpredictable your footprint is, the harder you are to target. We all rely on cognitive biases, mental shortcuts that help us make quick decisions. They're useful in daily life, but can be risky in cybersecurity because attackers design messages to exploit them. Common examples include authority bias, trusting messages that appear to come from leadership; urgency bias, acting fast when we feel rushed; familiarity bias, trusting names or brands that we recognize; optimism bias, assuming it won't happen to me. These reactions happen automatically, but a strong cyber mindset means noticing when a shortcut is influencing you and using that as your cue to slow down and evaluate. Every file you access, app you use, and device you touch contributes to your company's overall security. We already understand this in the physical world. You wouldn't leave a filing cabinet open in a busy hallway. You wouldn't walk away from your desk with sensitive paperwork spread out. You wouldn't store important documents in a random drawer where anyone could grab them. The same thinking applies online. An unlocked laptop is an open drawer. Storing files in unapproved apps is like placing documents where they don't belong. Sharing passwords or MFA codes is handing off access you shouldn't. When you start seeing digital spaces the way you see physical ones, protecting what you handle becomes natural. A cyber mindset doesn't develop overnight, but you can start by noticing your patterns. The moments when you rush or act on autopilot, those are chances to slow down and think. With steady awareness and small adjustments, you'll begin seeing digital risks more clearly, stopping them long before they have a chance to reach you.